In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily remove a watermark from any image in GIMP. This process will take only about 5 minutes, and it's a simple way to get your images looking clean and professional without the distraction of unwanted watermarks. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your image in GIMP. To do this, simply click on File in the top left corner of the program, then select Open from the drop-down menu. You'll need to browse to the location of your image file on your computer and double-click it to open it in GIMP. This will allow us to start editing the image right away. Next, we need to select the area where the watermark is located. You have two primary tools for this task: the Free Select tool, which looks like a lasso icon, and the Rectangle Select tool. Both tools can be found under Tools, followed by Selection Tools. Choose the one that best suits the shape of your watermark, and carefully select the area surrounding it. The goal here is to isolate the watermark so that we can remove it effectively. Once you've got the watermark area selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. If you notice that nothing happens when you press Delete, it could be that your image layer doesn't have an alpha channel. To fix this, go to Layer, then Transparency, and click Add Alpha Channel. Once added, try pressing Delete again, and you should see the selected watermark area disappear, leaving a transparent section behind. With the watermark now removed, we need to blend the erased area so that it matches the surrounding image. For this, you'll use the Clone tool, which is represented by a stamp icon in the toolbar. The Clone tool is excellent for covering up areas seamlessly by duplicating parts of the surrounding pixels over the area we're looking to blend. To use the Clone tool effectively, hold down the Control key and click on a clean area near where the watermark was located. This will sample the texture and color of that section. Now, release the Control key and use your mouse to paint over the deleted area. What you're doing here is essentially taking a sample from a part of the image and painting over the empty spot, so it looks natural and coherent. Take your time with this step to ensure a clean finish that is indistinguishable from the rest of the image. Finally, to save your newly edited image, click File again, and then choose Export As from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to save your work in a variety of file formats. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and give your edited image a suitable file name that you'll remember. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've removed a watermark from your image using GIMP. This technique is quite useful and can help maintain a professional appearance for any images you wish to edit. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!